Not even close. All it's gonna do is get things done. So it's not an Actisol machine where we come up and woo, kill me some bugs. As they were stating before, we want to use a cover on it. What does the cover do?
It breaks down the air pressure to where you're not blowing them out of there. You're not blowing them away.
So now what we're doing, instead of shooting way out here, we're condensing the heat into a local pattern. And we're trying to control some of the moisture that's coming out of it. Right. So now when we come in and we bring a tool, can I help you with the cords? Yep.
The back's already.
Yeah. You guys know how to use the vacuum, right?
One would hope.
Each time. As we're doing our steam, you have to have very close contact with the steamer to get the proper treatment. And as we're saying, you got to count like 10 seconds per foot to get in. So it's a slow, tedious process. And you'll actually be able to see some of the kills that you do when you actually find some eggs and some nymphs. You can go through and see them die, see them its color, and we'll help you out. But you can't come in and do this. And you got to remember that, like I just came up, this is the first time I've seen this. Each steamer is a little bit different. Some hotter, drier, and so forth. When in doubt, slow down, not speed up with it.
And remember, the other thing is that even as you do this seam here, you're going to have to come back and
Do the top
side.
seam.
Because you can feel this is nice and warm, this is cold.
About a foot and 10 seconds.
So right here is a foot. No, you don't want to use heat gun on any fabric. So this is a foot, basically, right here. So 10 seconds from there to there. To give you an idea.
He's going the next foot.
That's fine. And that doesn't mean that when you get halfway through and you're on 8 that you zip through the last 4 inches. Wait a minute, you said 10.
So always 20 seconds.
Yeah. The key is to slow down, not speed up.